What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala. We are starting to push a little bit. We're sitting at 0.0208 or up 3.5 on the day. Market cap 746 million, 24-hour volume 90 million. So we're already in two trades, one Gala, one Turbo, given in the Discord, which you can join for free. Top link in the comments. So we did come deeper. So we have to look at this as a leading diagonal, wave one. So off the low, let me pop over to the 4-hour chart. Off the low, you have a wave one to the upside, a wave two pullback looking to push up in that wave three. And now for the wave three, you have a leading diagonal in the wave one. In my opinion, we pulled back in a wave two. So what you're looking to do here is go bada bing, bada boom. And we bounced off the 78.6 fib level on that pullback. Wave one to the upside, that's your wave two pullback, and now you're looking to push up. Wave three target 0.03068. My break even for my largest investment is 0.033, which is my friend here, Gala Games. So hopefully it does well in the bull run. That's what I'm anticipating. $1, anybody? Hit that like button. So we have a leading diagonal, wave one to the upside, wave two pullback, looking to push up in a wave three with a target of 0.03068. Daily chart, I had an inverse head and shoulders with the right shoulder here, but as you can see right now, we have once again another inverse head and shoulders. So if we can break that neckline, you can take a measurement. You always want to use confluence. Don't just use patterns. You'll get wrecked. Look for other confluences and put them all together before entering your trade, in my opinion. So if we were to break that neckline, that could take you all the way up to, wow, 0.0044. And from the current price, that would be a juicy gain of about 120%, not too shabby. So we'll see if we can come up and break that neckline. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. I would expect price to push up in the wave three. If it breaks that bearish level, then it opens up the doors to break that low. But as of right now, it does look good for continuation. That's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I do my trading. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. Click the link down below. You can use BITUNIX worldwide. And you can join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis. I just gave 2 crypto signals over the last couple days, and my Forex trade signals as well. We have almost 3,000 members in the Discord. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.